The Mazda 6 Smart Key Fob from 2009 to 2018 can be opened to replace the battery with a few simple tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or, preferably, a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Locate the seam on the fob's edge, typically between the key blade and the remote buttons. Gently insert the pry tool into the seam and twist to separate the halves. Some users have found that applying heat with a hairdryer for about 30 seconds can soften the plastic and make it easier to open. Be careful to avoid metal tools to prevent cracking the case, as this is a common mistake. Once the fob is open, remove the old CR232 battery. Note the orientation with the positive side facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it has the correct polarity and is firmly seated. Snap the case back together. Test the remote functions, such as the lock-unlock buttons and proximity entry. If the remote still doesn't work, a common fix is to cycle the ignition key in the door lock to resync it. Ensure the fob is within 10 feet of the vehicle for it to be recognized. If problems persist, check for corroded terminals and clean them with rubbing alcohol, or dry the fob with silica gel if water damage is suspected.